Now let us try to assess these variables of demo1 from different package. So create a new class in package 2. Let us say it other demo runner, and it has a main method. Now let us create an object of demo1, but as demo1 is within another package, so we have to import that. So I have imported package 1 demo1. Now I will try to print object dot x1. Okay, yes, I can do that. Now I will try to print object dot x2, then x3 and x4. Okay, so I can't do that. See, it is saying is not visible, x3 is not visible, and x4 is not visible. Only x1 is visible. Okay, so from within different package and non subclass, remember it, if it is a subclass then we can access the protected, but if it is non subclass then we cannot access the protected also. Okay, so in this way you can provide modifiers to your variables, methods as well as classes. So here in this example we have given modifier to only variables, right? Same thing you can do for methods. So this method, print method, is public, but you can provide other modifiers like protected, default or private as per your requirement, and test it in the same way we tested for our variables. Okay,